Would you say you have good mechanical ability and solid communication skills? Do you enjoy being physically active and working with little direction or supervision? Are you interested in how natural gas gets distributed to homes and businesses? If this gets you pumped, you might want to channel your energy into a career as a gas utility operator. Gas utility operators install and maintain gas utility pipeline systems that transport natural gas from its source to points of use. To get us into the flow on this energetic career, we talked to a gas utility operator working here in Alberta.
Hi, my name is Melissa and I am a gas utility operator. A gas utility operator is somebody who installs and services gas utility systems. A gas utility system is the pipe underground that the gas flows through from the transmission system to the distribution system that then flows to your house, which heats your water and your home. Some of my duties include responding to gas odor and gas leak calls. I am also responsible for excavating these holes safely and informing the public about natural gas and digging around the line safely. My typical day looks like I come to our shop first thing in the morning and I bump test my equipment and my monitors. After that, I activate my route and get my jobs for the day, and I will head to our job site. There I will fill out a hazard, and when we're ready to go, we will start by excavating the gas line, and then whether it needs a repair or it needs to be disconnected, we'll execute the work. If somebody wanted to work as a gas utility operator, they could work for the distribution company in their area or a contractor that would work for the distribution company. As a gas utility operator, some skills that you may need is mechanical ability and strength and stamina. It's also important to have the skills to communicate with customers and to work in a team. Working with gas and power tools can be dangerous, so it's important to have the proper PPE and to know the proper protocols and to follow them when working. The personal protective equipment that you have to wear while you are on site is a hard hat, safety glasses, steel toe boots, and fire retardant coveralls. My working environment is busy. Generally, you're with a crew of people, but sometimes you're by yourself. You work outdoors in all types of weather. Gas utility operators work 40 hours a week, with some overtime being required in emergency situations. For some jobs as a gas utility operator, you will have to rotate on-call shifts throughout the year. Gas utility operators are a designated occupation in Alberta. Trainees can apply to Alberta Apprenticeship and Industry Training to earn an Alberta Occupational Certificate. To be a gas utility operator, it is strongly recommended to have a high school diploma and to have strong English, math, and science skills. The most satisfying thing for me in my role is responding to natural emergencies. When we respond to emergencies, some of the things that we do are ensuring the safety and integrity of the natural gas system that feeds the community. If anybody was thinking about this job, they should think about how gratifying it is to work in your community and know that you're providing an essential service and keeping your community safe.
Successful gas utility operators get along well with their customers and fellow workers. They also have the intellectual ability to succeed in formal, technical training. If this fuels your interest, you might have a gas with this rewarding and exciting career. Drill deeper and find out about training requirements and salary ranges in the occupational profile on the ALICE website. While you're there, read the meter on related occupations, including instrumentation and control technician, gas fitter, and steam fitter pipe fitter. Explore the possibilities. Go to alice.alberta.ca.